Now I'm looking for a job. I'm trying to find a job to start my career, and I need to focus on what I want. I have C Sharp, Arduino, C++. At school is Arduino, and in Arduino uses C++, and I have C Sharp at school, and I have other subjects also, but at coding I have these two. My other two is Squill, and in C Sharp I also use the Squill. And I needed to finish the high school, and to finish it I needed to learn the Arduino and the C Sharp, but I was studying the C Sharp and Arduino because I needed to get ready to do the assignments, and I'm not in the current level of the classes. In the C Sharp, in the next semester, I will need to make an entire project by myself, and I'm not ready. I needed to get ready to study more C Sharp to make it happen. But I'm also looking for a job, and I don't want to work as a C Sharp developer or a Arduino's developer. My goal is to become a Python developer and something more related with Python. This is my goal. Python and work with data, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and I will use the Squill, the Python. I forget a little bit about artificial intelligence because artificial intelligence is a thing that you need to have many knowledges to achieve it. And I don't have too much artificial intelligence at school. I need to learn artificial intelligence, I need to learn Python and some libraries, the prompt engineering. Don't need prompt engineering, but I need to be more specific to learn about what I will learn about artificial intelligence. And to learn artificial intelligence, I need to learn Python, and isn't learn a new only a specific thing. I needed to learn other base things to learn a more further thing that is artificial intelligence. Then I forget a little bit to focus in the base. Then now this was my goal, this was what I was aiming, and I'm currently aiming it. My desire is to learn about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, this area. To do it, I needed to focus in Python, but I also needed to focus in Arduino and C Sharp. But I can't focus too much. Have the Icarus myth that the Icarus have had the wings, and when he flew too much, the wings was burned, and when he down too much, he was getting the inferno, the hell. Then the Icarus needed to fly don't too high and don't too low, in the middle, in the exact point that the Icarus won't be burned and don't be get by the hell. This is the point that I needed to achieve. Don't study too much C Sharp and Arduino to forget the focus that is Python. Have found a job, be hired, and don't focus a little bit to be catched by the hell and reprove in these subjects. Then I needed to study a point that I will learn C Sharp, I will learn Arduino, I will say that I learned, I did the school projects, I improved, I know Arduino and C Sharp, but my goal isn't to learn C Sharp and Arduino. My goal is learn Python. Then I needed to don't study too much and don't study nothing. Study the exact point that I would study these two, and also study Python in a level that I will found a job and improve in the Python's area. Learning TensorFlow, PyTorch, Pandas, NumPy, LangChain, other libraries, the Python object-oriented programming, the Python's word, and other technologies like Git, the Linux that I'm also learning, that isn't so necessary but is good to have, the Docker, the Squill, these other technologies. Then I'm also having plans to don't be focused in my job, like okay, we won't have a job now. I needed to have other things like the billionaires, the people that have money, people that is powerful, always have more than one ways to make money. Always have a YouTube channel, a company, a job, have investments, have many things. I'm trying to do it in the beginner's level. You will make nothing, you invest money, and this won't give to you any significant return. But when you grow, you will grow so much that you can live with the money that you invested, the monthly earnings, and the compound interest is have many years that you earn nothing, and at one point you start to earning too much, and you will have exponential growth. Then I will look for a job. I will focus on it, and I will also focus on other things like creating my personal brand, I have the desire to become an entrepreneur, to may have a startup, my own company. I also have the YouTube that I can make lectures, I can make videos to expand my personal brand and also prove my abilities, teach people, document my journey. I'm working on it. Then this will be the focus now. Look for a job, improve my personal brand, improve my abilities. My personal brand will grow, and my job opportunities also. I can work with freelancers. I need a solid reputation. I need to remove the noise, the loud, the people talking too much to me, talking shit. I need to be aware if I will start my own company, if I will become an entrepreneur, because it's a thing that I like and then thing that I need to study more. When I finish the high school, I will have more time to think, because I think I will have a job, and the job is more easier than high school. because high school have many assignments. You will go to school to learn nothing, to hear people making loud, to don't study, don't improve. And in a job you will work hard, you will work, but is 8 hours a day, is improving, you earn money. I think it's more easier. You always need to have other paths instead of one, like a job, a personal brand, a YouTube channel, a company, investments. This is very important. I will continue learning about what I will do about my career. This is what I'm thinking, what I will do. I am thinking build my personal brand since the start of the year. I already made a video about it. This isn't a thing that I thought now, is a construction, is a building. I'm building it, and I think that I became good in making videos. I already made tiny lectures like in Sampa Talks. I can explore my abilities to give lectures, to teach people, to improve in many areas. I have very things to do. I have to work hard. I hope you like it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.